Remember, many things are shifting now, and take joy and pride in your part in that shifting. Accepting the divine and feeling good about your divine nature and the spark within you. Knowing that the earth wouldn't be where it is right now without you, and that where the earth is right now is changing into something divine, and you are part of that dance of the divine. As you move towards the divine, and the divine begins to take over, the divine begins to start in the center of your being and move through your physical form, it creates changes. And there are parts of things that have to fall away in the change. If you go out and look at your world now, for it is winter in the part of the world that most of you are living in, you will see the death and the death of what was around in the summer all around you. Is it disgusting to you? No, it is not. You understand. You understand the seasons. You understand that some things must fall away for the seeds that have been planted deeply within the hearts to spring forth in the spring again. You understand that underneath that barren tree is the promise of the springtime, the blossoms, the fruit growing into the summer, and the leaves unfurling. Understand that as barren as a person may look to you, as lacking in intelligence, as lacking in kindness, as lacking in awareness, as lacking in harmony, as lacking in love as they may seem to you, that within them lies that seed of divinity. That awareness in itself can change the course of your life, for your path will begin to move in a different direction, and what comes around you will be fully different. What you magnetize towards yourself will be a different experience. And a person who has experienced the experience of love and kindness, forgiveness, and divinity on the planet is a person who changed your world. I am Quan Yin, speaking from the garden. I am Quan Yin. Open your hearts to joy. Open your palms and commune with the flowers now. Tone 3 times and receive. I am Quan Yin. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Shiva Om Namah. Om. 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 And breathe deeply into your heart, feeling the fragrance of the garden. Simply bring that fragrance into your being. I am Quan Yin. I am Quan Yin.